per this is a third-party application through which WhatsApp is being getting connected. So Twilio is the actual company which is providing this WhatsApp integration.
Okay.
Because WhatsApp is not giving the chance of sharing their APIs for others. They are very strict on giving those. So the first things that are actually needed, prerequisites, is to integrate with your Twilio number with WhatsApp. You need to have a Facebook business account, business manager account. So if you already have a Facebook account, then it is how you can find it. You can see. Then you can see WhatsApp uses approved business manager accounts to identify your business and associate with your phone numbers with it. Once WhatsApp approves your Twilio number through which you are using, you will need to provide your Facebook business manager ID to Twilio as well. And Twilio requires your business account to be validated by Facebook. Only those accounts validated by Facebook are approved for WhatsApp messaging. So this is a prerequisite that is needed. Okay. So connecting with the Twilio and WhatsApp, to begin with, you must have a Twilio WhatsApp account. Then you need to update this, enable your WhatsApp account. So you have to have a Twilio account. So Twilio charges you. I'll show you the charges also, how it charges. You can get from here. You can visit their API, that is Twilio, and get the WhatsApp number, Twilio account number. And once you get the Twilio number, enable your WhatsApp account. So how we can do is, we can show you. Submit your Twilio numbers to WhatsApp for approval. All customers who wish to create their profiles require approval from WhatsApp. Twilio numbers that you submit also need approval from WhatsApp, and the approval process may take a little time. So you can see the details here. So how you? Yes, tell me.
Yeah, this is for our company, right, sir? Not for individual.
Yes, yes.
So we will have a multiple phone numbers.
Yes. So you need to add those. To enable the integration in vTiger, you need to have account SID, the token, and the WhatsApp from number.
Okay.
So once you get this, you can easily configure this, and it is easy to configure. So we need how the process has been given. First thing is, you need to have the, I'll show you where you can add it. So I'm logging into the CRM, and this is my training account. So this is my training account. You need to go to the settings page, and under the extension store, this is the extension store through which you need to add the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp now is installed. Okay, once it is installed, then you can actually add the details which are needed. This is how you need to go to your home page, that is Twilio home page. From there, click the programmable SMS, click on WhatsApp, and you can add all the details. So once you do this, then you can start sending the emails, that is SMS. And before that, you also have to have a template from Twilio. So I have logged into the this is my login. I'll show you how it is. So you can also use the VoIP on this. So click to call functionality of Twilio can be used.
Okay.
So you can purchase pay as you go, or the so this functionality is available for you. Like this, you create a Twilio account. you can have your own number. This is my trial account, so it has given me a trial number, and you can click on this and see that programmable messaging. So here you can configure the details. Okay, so here you can configure the your WhatsApp number. So you can have the API and configure here. So so messaging services, and create your messaging services, and that is how you have to name. The process is available once you do this. The SMS setting, general SMS setting, which you have to do, and once you do it, you can easily send it. Before sending, you need to know what are the pricings, because we are not charging presently we are not charging anything, but Twilio is going to charge you for the SMSs which you are going to send. So I will show you what is the present. So here, Twilio Cloud Communication. Okay, this is also logging out, so that the pricings also I will show you. The pricings for WhatsApp is so here, and you can see get started for free. Programmable SMS, it is 0.075. Okay, this is what we are going to use. And so for India, right. So here you can see local numbers and (0.01). This is the outbound and inbound, both you have, and somewhere around 90 paisa it is having. But if the pricing for SMS on since this is a programmable SMS API and messaging service software one, WhatsApp also I'll see. You need to talk to these people, but the pricings are a little more than what we have. So you can see 0.0135 is for US, but India, if we are using it, is 0.092 for WhatsApp. But before that, you need to check it across your with those people. So it is coming to somewhere around 68 paisa per message.
Okay.
It's a tentative figure, but you need to talk to WhatsApp, that is Twilio. So once you configure it, since it is already added, now if you want to send it to your customers, once you have added all those things,
Okay.
you just click here, and I'm sending a WhatsApp. So you can email, chat, call, SMS. So I'm sending a WhatsApp message. You need to have the WhatsApp SMS welcome message template, which they are going to charge. So you can create those templates here and get it approved from them. And you can also attach files from your computer and to the relevant person. Okay, so I am sending this to Bharat. So you can see it is in queue. Once it is delivered, it will show up that it is delivered. So now you can see the particular SMS has been delivered to Bharat. Okay, once Bharat opens this page, then you can start interacting with the person.
You have sent in one attachment, right, sir?
No, I haven't sent any attachment. It is a direct mail.
Okay.
So
We didn't add any attachment. Okay.
I haven't. So first time when we are sending, it is better we send it directly without attachment and the template that has been approved by WhatsApp.
Okay.
For that also, for each template, you need to pay some fees. Everywhere they are charging like anything. Okay.
How much?
Yeah. Bharat, have you received any the message? Oh, okay. I have.
Yeah.
It
Can
has
you check it out? I think the number, it's not my.
thing. It was a number because of which it has failed.
No, you can send it to me other number.
Yes, I am going to send it to you again. So here contacts. Now I am again click on this and reach out now. WhatsApp. So here I have not selected the number. Now I'm selecting it. Select the message and send it. So now it must be it is in queue and it is going to show up here. So this is the message that has reached. Have you received it, Bharat?
Okay. No, Jyoti, I'm still not interested.
So it takes 2 minutes for you because it is in queue. Oh, this is in failed status. Huh? Both have failed. Maybe your number isn't correct.
Can you check it out?
So what I'll do is I'll.
Or if Ravi's number is WhatsApp number, can we try with Ravi?
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah, you can. Okay, it's not there. So what I'll do is, can you? Okay, I'm changing the number. So phone numbers is here, and okay, mobile phone number should be. So can you give me Ravi? Can you give me your number?
666.
Yeah,
Should I repeat, sir?
please.
996666
996666
3990.
3990. Okay. 996666 3990. Okay, now I'm sending it again. Right, that is the number, and this is the message and sending. So we can see the status summary, and this is the message. We will see whether it has been delivered, because no, it hasn't been delivered. Maybe because I am not having the authority to send it. Maybe that is the thing, but it gets delivered. Earlier I checked it and it was delivering perfectly, but I don't know why it's. So it is adding plus. Oh, that is the reason. From, and it is adding the plus. So here, deep dive, and now it should go. Do, then reach out, WhatsApp. I have the number 91 right. Now sent. Okay, so yes, it should get delivered now.
I received it, sir.
Yes, no? So because of the.
Sir, can I send it back? Can I send reply to this?
Yes, you can reply. That is what we want. So how it will get attached, you can see. So when we receive it, how it is going to get attached to this.
I'm also sending one attachment along with this.
Yes, you can send the attachments.
The customers, they send the documents to us. To this, I sent it, sir.
Yeah, it will come within 2 minutes. It should be here. It has been delivered and it is red. Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Can you open
And you can see the media file also. This is the media.
Yes.
Okay. So now it's working. You can see all the interactions that has happened on.
Can we do this through mobile, sir?
Pardon?
Can we do this through mobile?
See the mobile okay, you are saying that from the mobile itself, if I am doing sending a message to that particular person,
Yes.
it should be captured on the CRM.
Right.
Okay, presently that is not possible because we are sending it from the CRM. That is the only option presently available, but whatever things that are happening on that area you can use from.
Can we do this way? Can we use the use of CRM and the mobile CRM, and with that, can we send the message through the WhatsApp?
Presently, it is not available, that feature, but it is going to be added in the coming weeks. Okay. Presently, WhatsApp itself was after several things they have given this. We were able to connect through Twilio, and we are going in the process of improving it and giving it to our customers to send the SMS functionality for using that WhatsApp functionality. Okay, it is in pipeline.
That's okay.
It'll be shortly implemented.
Yes.
It'll be shortly rolled out Ravi, through mobile as well.
Okay.
Currently, it's only available through browsers, right, Jyoti?
Yes.
And that's okay, sir. That's okay. And not at all issue now.
And what the interactions that has happened, so those are captured on the what we call is here we have the WhatsApp number, so you can see all the things have been captured here. So you can see, yes, I got it, media, and when I click, it is showing it. So it has to bring, okay. So right. So not only from you have to go and do it on the records, you can go directly onto the contacts list view. From here also, you can just select the contact to whom you wanted to send and click here and send.
Okay.
On the list, from the list itself. So here you can see the WhatsApp. So if you want to send, just click it and send it. You need to have the number.
That's true.
Okay. So this is the way. You can also use the VoIP phone to call your US customers or customers. Okay, since you are not providing your business is mostly concerned to these two states.
No, not exactly, sir.
not
In soon, we will have places in different nations also.
oh
Yes, in Canada and Australia and New Zealand.
okay.
Okay.
And but it's going to take some time. But yes, definitely we would like to.
Yes, but you can use the if you have the Twilio, or you can also have the Plivo. The charges are we are also using those things, Twilio, Plivo, for our to reach our customers. Yeah, to reach our customers in the international sector areas.
So whatever is availability, that is what we need to go ahead with, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay, sir.
Okay. So anything else do you want to know?
Yeah. Commercial that I need to discuss with the Bharat sir regarding that, and also can we integrate all these things through the in our website?
Pardon?
CRM services.
Yes.
Could we run the separate app or tab, or else can we use it in our website?
For logging in?
Yes.
No. You have to. You can add a link.
Okay, URL.
Yes. URL in the sense, as a URL you can add, and from there you will be ported onto our website.
Even API can be done.
No, APIs we are not providing at present because of some restrictions. We are not providing that.
But white labeling is not possible, sir. Is it possible?
Bookmark. That is what we are also using everywhere. So the bookmark, you can bookmark and you need to log in. Because at the end of the day, the thing is the customers are not the persons who are using, but your staff, and they can log in from here.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
But normally it is not possible to white labeling, right, sir?
Labeling isn't done. So you need to first talk to the Twilio persons and get the prices, because unless you have that, say for templates they are charging 0.42 for the first 250k templates.
Okay.
So this pricing, you need to know everything regarding the prices. What is the pricing for the call, that is a message, whether this 0042 is also going to be added for the first 250k. They are saying it is going to be added.
Okay.
So that is how.